Sugar, salt, and fat will make you healthy, remember that. Candy might taste really sweet, but too much sugar's not a treat. It slows you down, makes you tired. Healthy food is what's required. Chips and cookies, crunchy and nice, but eating too much is not good advice. It can hurt your teeth, make you feel low. Healthy food helps you grow, grow, grow. Healthy food, yummy and bright, helps you run and sleep at night. Tomatoes, spinach, and fresh green peas keep you healthy, happy, and disease-free. Let's eat carrots, let's eat greens, oranges, apples, even beans. Water, milk, they make you tall. Drink them up, they're best of all. Water keeps your body clean. Milk gives you bones that are super lean. Fruits give vitamins for your skin. Healthy food helps you win. Healthy food, hooray! Keeps you strong and ready to play. Let's eat healthy every day and feel good in every way.
Thanks for joining us on our healthy food adventure. Remember to eat your fruits and veggies every day to stay strong and happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Pause for character waving, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Pause for thumbs up sign. Stay healthy and see you next time. Bye bye.